Hi everyone, it's been a long time that I made a video, but I've been very sick. I've been battling breast cancer, but time for a project share, and this is for a swap that I made. We're meeting up at a craft fair and gonna switch these out at this craft fair, and then we decided to make the TikTok clock. So, and I made one this way with two side pieces. This is an easy peasy project. It's just a little square block with a spool, some vintage lace around it, and then just lots of springs with butterflies, which gives a springy feeling. Paper is paper from a local store, and it's like a little marble effect and beautiful shabby chic flower patterns. And then the bling, and this bling was also from my stash, but I think it was gifted to me by someone, but please forgive me, I just don't remember who. So there are two pieces in the opposite side, so she can put them in this direction, she can put them in this direction, it doesn't matter. And this is the TikTok clock. This has a spine of, I think, was about an inch. So the back, I finished it off with like this vintage looking diaphragma, I don't remember the name anymore. This lace flower and a bling. Again, the beautiful flowery shabby chic papers. Nice bling for the corners. And as you turn around, there's a cluster of flowers. I think just need to re-glue my pearls. Okay, I'm just gonna have to re-glue these. So I'm gonna lots of flowers. There's this film strip from the Tim Holtz, from an older Tim Holtz die. Some saying I can always count on you to brighten my day. Flower cluster, one of my beautiful teeny tiny crochet frames. In the back, a vintage clock die from Mariana Design, surrounded it with bling. I don't know if you can catch it up. This beautiful pin, bows, and then a little pink bee charm. And on here and there again, some more bling, some butterflies, different flowers, paper flowers, fabric flowers, just a mismatch of white, pink and darker pink, and these are vintage leaves. And it surrounded the clock completely with this rosette trim, and on each center I glued a little bling piece, and that's about it. So that's my little project. I hope you like it. Thank you all for watching. Bye.